Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Purely HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in my.purelyhr.com and press enter. This will now take you into the login portal for the Purely HR website. Now within the company ID, type in your company ID number or the ID name. Then you can enter your username within the username box that you have set while creating your account. Now underneath the username box, type in your account password, and after entering all of the required credentials, you can click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Purely HR account right away. You can also use Google by clicking on sign in with Google, and if you have forgotten your username or password, you will find the buttons underneath this right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Purely HR account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.